Happy Thursday, everybody. So first of all, what you're going to notice is that the screen you see now is going to be the screen you see a lot today. Because Miss Sophie made a mistake. And when I was videoing myself teaching yesterday, I videoed the screen and then I'm in the very little corner. That just means on your Edpuzzle, I'm real small, which is really dumb of me and I'm very sorry. But I'm putting on your assignment for the day, I am putting the page I worked on here so that you can look at it and just listen to me talk. And then, you can put it on full screen and you can sort of see it, but I was teaching the class and I really liked the commentary going back and forth with it, and I just can't redo that. So, you live and you learn, and we learn Miss Sophie's not perfect. So you're going to do the questions on this order of operations page. Listen to, and the Edpuzzle does ask you, like, what did you get on number 1 or what did you get on number 5? And it asks you that, so you need to answer those questions. So I kind of explained that up on here. If you want to reassess your test, don't forget that that is an option. There is a video on that. On how to reassess, and you just fill out the Google Doc with what you missed and what you did to make it correct, and like why what did you do wrong? Did you add wrong? Did you subtract wrong? Did you put a negative when you shouldn't have? And then do not forget, your I8Sales are due tomorrow at the end of the school day. I have been nice and I've gotten in touch with some people about not getting them done from last week. Normally, end of the day Friday, no grace. You get the whole week to do your work. There's no reason why you can't find 20, 30 minutes in your entire week to do your math homework, especially because you have ELT and that is made for that, okay? So if you have any questions, just message me. Again, I'll be up teaching this today, so I will have my chat open, but I may not be able to just respond right away. Please make sure you take the time with that Edpuzzle to do your work and do your best. Have a great day.